Welcome. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and this is a second take on an unboxing of a watch where I didn't film the watch very well, so I want to make sure that I redid it. So this is a Calatrava from Patek Phillipe, and here is the actual. If you've seen any unboxings before, you know how this works. Paperwork is in there. Pull this out, and it looks like so. Probably one of the most beautiful boxes I have. And then here is the watch itself. Just an absolutely gorgeous watch. Very powerful loom. Manages a second time zone here in the skeletonized one. And on the inside, you have beautiful movement. Now these pushers here help you set the time for where you are. And so you set the time for the home based on where you live, and then anytime you fly anywhere, you use the pushers to set your guest time. So really ingenious way of doing it, a lot simpler than most of the competition, which requires you to actually reset it on the crown. So I'm very happy with it. It's the same movement that's in the Nautilus, and the Aquanaut are the same view, and very lucky to have this one.